Hello dear children, I welcome you all to today's EVS class. In the previous class, we started a lesson, Omana's Journey. Today, we shall continue it. At the end of today's class, you will be able to list the things we like to carry to pass time during a train journey. You will also be able to recognize people engaged in railway services and the work they do. Finally, you will be able to learn how to write a diary. Before we go ahead, let us recall what we learnt in the previous class. We learned that Omana and Radha were best friends. Their families had planned to go to Kerala. Omana's father had booked the tickets for both the families. Unfortunately, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her leg, and Radha's family could not join the trip. The two friends were very sad. Radha's mother advised Omana to write about the trip in her diary so that she could pass her time during the trip. We also saw the format of diary entry. Omana writes in her diary about the crowd on the station, how she struggled to get inside the train, the scene inside the coach and the people, and the scenery outside. We learned to locate Gujarat and Kerala on the map of India. You may recall that Omana wanted to brush before going to sleep, but there was no water in the bathroom. I had asked you to think why there was no water in the bathroom of the train. I am sure you must have thought of some reasons. Now let us list out the possible reasons why there was no water in the bathroom of the train. Possibly the water tank was not filled up at the previous station. Other passengers might have misused and wasted water. Somebody might have left the bathroom tap turned on and the water might have drained out. The supply pipe might have a leakage and water might have drained out. So children, we should not waste water, rather we must save it and use it properly. Children, in the last class, we learned that Omana's mother carried a variety of food items on their trip. Omana had taken a diary and a pen to write her experiences of the trip, which helped her to pass the time. Children, what are the things that you carry to pass your time in a train journey? Here is a list of things which people carry during a train journey. Storybooks, video game, comics, chess, dry fruits, drawing book, Ludo, music system, laptop and movies. Now, let us know some people and their work who are engaged in railway services. Coolie helps in carrying luggage and boarding the train. Booking clerk books train tickets. Sweeper cleans station premises and train coaches. Guard helps in operation of the train to the timetable. Driver controls the whole train carrying passengers and cargo to their destination. Railway Protection Force protects passengers and railway property. TTE examines the ticket and ensures that the seats are allotted to the right passengers. Gangman alerts train drivers of any danger on the tracks. Coach attendant attends to passengers for their safety and convenience. Dear children, recently an activity has been included in our curriculum, that is, writing a diary. On every Sunday, you are required to write diary recording your experiences of the week. This will be an assignment for which you will be awarded marks. Now, let us have a look of an extract from Omana's diary. As I read, you may notice the format and content. Sunday, 17th May, 8 a.m. Dear Diary, it is morning now. Last night I went to sleep early. It was too dark to see anything outside. When the train stopped early this morning, I woke up. It was Mudgaon. That was written on the board at the platform. Appa said that we were going through the state of Goa. We got off at the station and had some hot tea and filled our bottles. The train started again. I find it difficult to describe the scene outside. It is so beautiful. It is green everywhere, fields with red soil and green crops, hills covered with trees. Omana. Children. During the lockdown period, people did different activities to pass their time. You may see the pictures of people doing different activities. Children, think what you are doing these days to spend your time. Then try writing a diary, recording your experiences. You may start like this in your notebook. Dear children, write down the people engaged in railway services and their work in your notebook. Thank you.